Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this huge ornament Christmas decor which you can place indoors or outdoors. I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. This project was so easy to make. You literally just need like 4 items from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start off with these 2 big plastic bowls from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take off the label off of both of them, and then I'm going to take this LED light. It's not string light, it's literally just called LED light with the battery pack, and you can find that also at Dollar Tree. So I just happened to pick up the blue one, but I think they have them in also red and green, and I believe they also have a white color. So I went ahead and picked up the blue one, and what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this around the inside of both bowls, but we're going to make sure that the battery pack is, oh my goodness, I can't talk today, that the battery pack is glued on the outside on one of the bowls. So I'm going to start off with that. I'm going to glue the battery pack on the outside, and then I'll wrap this around the inside, if that makes sense. But before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell because I have super fun DIYs coming up for you. And like I said, I'm just going to wrap this around on the bottom bowl. So I'm going to just use my hot glue and put a little dab of hot glue and put it in place, just going around the bowl. You could use 2 battery packs for this, but I kind of split it in half. So I use half of the light on the bottom bowl, and then I use the other half on the top bowl. But one thing I forgot to mention is that when you're gluing the battery pack, you want to make sure to have the door to replace the batteries on the outside, so don't accidentally put that glue that onto the bowl, so you can change the batteries. And notice I'm just splitting my light strand. You could use 2 like I said, or you can use 1 long strand. I know they come in different sizes, so just split it in half, use some at the top, some at the bottom, and that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to bring in the next bowl next to it and then glue the leftover light into that top bowl. And after you're done placing your light in, we're going to glue both bowls together. You can use hot glue or E6000 for a more permanent seal. I actually recommend E6000, probably better than the hot glue. And the last step is that we're going to take this doorknob hanger. It's the one with the bells from Dollar Tree, and we're going to hot glue that onto the top. And again, you could use E6000 instead. So here I am just gluing it, and we're done. You're going to turn on the light just like that with a button, and that's how it looks. And yeah, so you can place this indoors or outdoors, or you can hang it. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I personally love this project. It was so easy to do, and it only cost a few dollars to make, and it looks so cute in my opinion. So let me know down in the comments what you think, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs, and be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.